guys, it's Ruby from Oofy Scraps, and I am here with another video for you. Long time no talk, so this is actually my second video back. The first video was my 2022 Weekend Life flip through, which I actually recorded way before Weekend Life even happened, but I coached track in the spring, so I'm super busy during that time of year, and the season just ended, so I finally am getting around to getting videos posted and getting that video posted. I just got my photos back for Weekend Life 2023, so I'll be putting that video together soon, getting the album finished up. But right now I want to share with you a little sticker update video. So I've done one or two other sticker videos. I will link them in the card for you. But I wanted to show you guys what's going on with my sticker book for the year and also a couple sticker things I picked up. So I thought I would come on here and show you what's going on. If you're not familiar with the BFF Sticker Club, they're a really cool little sticker community that takes place mostly on Instagram. I discovered them through Laura Wansick, who is a scrapbooker, and she's on the Ali Edwards design team and things like that. So I found out about that through her. And they created this really cool little sticker book, which is kind of like an activity sticker book that you can do daily sticker pages, challenges, things like that, and just engage with the community. It's really fun. So I wanted to show you guys all the little deal of where I'm at with my stickers. So this is my little sticker book. And I guess I'll start with flipping through this. I have my little front page, which I sticker bombed with a bunch of my favorite stickers. And then there's this little manifesto, and then self-portrait, hope, favorite sticker, current mood. And then it just goes into the daily pages where you sticker about whatever you have going on that day. So I guess I could show you guys a couple of favorites. This was my birthday, which was a really fun one. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then this is a funny one. This is when my dog puked on my carpet, and I had to use one of those wet vacuums to clean it up. This was my birthday camping trip, and we actually camped in a car trunk like that, so it was like the very perfect sticker. First day of track practice. I'm literally so excited. That was fun. But yeah, so there's a whole bunch of different things. You can see I have a couple of little missing ones, because I have stickers, very specific stickers I want to use for that, and I don't have them yet, which is a little insane. But yeah, so this is that. And then I also have a lot of challenge pages. So the little weekly challenges. This is Party Like It's 2023. Stickers I wish for Scratch and Sniff. Breakfast. Woodland stickers. Stickers who are in love. These are two of my favorites. Hearts and red and pink. I have some unfinished ones. Butts, I still have room for more on that one. Tails, Happy Meal, I still have room for. Stickers that start with the letter of your name. So like roller skate, rain boots, rainbow, remote, rocket ship, read, things like that, because my name starts with an R. Date the Salon is one of my favorites. This one is technology, I'm pretty sure. So I still have some couple little gaps in there. And then Rainbow is a super fun one, obviously. Nostalgia. And this was Raining Cats and Dogs, which I also don't have enough stickers for. Yellow. Birthday. And then Fast Food, which I also have some space to fill. Anyways, so that is where we're at with that. And then the way I store my stickers, hopefully you don't hear my dog barking, but he's barking, and we're just going to let it be. But I have two little sticker books that I keep my stickers in. This is the one I got first. This is from Everything Smells, and I just keep stickers in here. It's really cute and little, but the pages are very stiff, so it's difficult to get the picture or the stickers off. But you can see I have a bunch of random stickers in here. I don't really fill this one up anymore, so these are just stickers I've had in here for a while. You can see there's some pretty big gaps because these are harder to peel the stickers out of. So I don't use this one as much. But this one I actually made myself. So I just bought this fun like holographic paper, I think at Michael's, and I use this cinch to create a little sticker book. and I use sticker release paper that I bought online, and it's super bendy, so it's a lot easier to get the stickers out of. And you can see in this one too, like, it might be hard for you guys to see, but when you have to bend it to get the stickers out, it dents the pages. So like maybe you can see on this page, there's like a whole bunch of like creases and stuff, which is kind of gross. Whereas this one, it's all good. So I have them sort of organized, but it kind of becomes difficult to keep them organized as you move things around and add more stickers in. But I think it's actually very satisfying when I get new stickers to sit there and add them all in. So yeah, but that's that. And then I also picked up a couple things. So first I got an order from the BFF Sticker Club. So I got their Book of Besties, which is their address book, where you can add in people's address. I already started filling a couple people's in. This is a blank page. So you can put a little picture of them, or you can put like a little photo bomb or stickers that remind you of them. There's sticker style / notes where you could say like, oh, this person loves sparkly stickers. Or if you were doing me, you'd be like, she loves panda stickers. And then you can write their address and their name and things like that. It's really cute. And I obviously have people's addresses written down in various places, but it's kind of annoying that they're scattered throughout. I find myself scrolling through Instagram DMs trying to find people's addresses before I send them something. So it's nice to have them all here in one place. And then I also got this fun sticky, officially official sticky. And I think I'm going to put this right here on my little sticker book. Maybe I'll do that right now. But yeah, and then this sticker is actually from Pipsticks, which is fun. So there's that. And then the other things I got were the stickers from the latest BFF Sticker Club release. I got 2 different sheets. I actually got multiples of them. So this is from Crafty Jen, and it's a Happy Mail themed one, which I got with keeping in mind that I had that Happy Mail sticker challenge that I didn't finish, but I just thought these would be easy to use. The little pink mail truck is my favorite. And then of course I had to grab Leilani Scraps did a little collab with her sticker sheet, and I love it. It's super, super cute. So I actually grabbed 3 of these because, you know, you had to have some little backups in stock. So they're super, super cute. I think they're really fun. So yeah, I got that. And then I also got my little Quinner card. So every $10 you spend, you put a little sticker down, and then you're a Quinner when you reach the end and you get a little prize. So those are all the things I got from BFF Sticker Club. I will definitely have them linked below. And then I also got my Pipsticks order. And this is a fun month, so I thought I would show you guys what I got. It was like a rainbow themed month. So I'll pull them all out and show you guys. So there's a vinyl sticker every month. This is the Pro Pack, by the way. So this is the vinyl sticker. And then there's the little postcard, Rainbow Make Everything Better. And then just a bunch. Oh, well, look, there's a little Pippi, which is pretty cute. And then all the stickers. So I will just go through and show you them. Maybe I'll show you the least favorite to favorite. So these are the petaled peacocks. Not my favorite. Donuts, which are cute. They're a little neon for me. The makeup one is cute. It's like the little makeup caboodle things. It's fun. I just don't see myself using that a ton. And then I love the collecting rainbows. It's like stickers of stickers of Pipsticks and stuff, which is super cute. This is Paint Potty. I'm not a huge cat person, so don't see myself really using these. Cute little sparkle spectrum. They're like pastel rainbows, which are very cute. I definitely will use these ones. Ombre meow shrooms. These are very pretty, but again, not a huge cat person. I don't know what situation I would use these in. It sounds like I don't like them, but I do. And the best ones, they created like a bunch of different sheets of fully color bombed ones. So the red one, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. So I think my favorite one is probably the purple or the green. Those are my 2 favorite colors. I really love the purple because of all the shades of purple. And then the green one's super cute as well. I also like the content of the purple one, I think, the best. So anyways, that is the little sticker haul from Pipsticks. And then now I'm going to cut to a clip of me actually doing some stickering in my sticker book. I thought you guys would enjoy following along. Recently, Leilani posted a video similar to this, and I had a lot of fun watching it. So I thought I had all these stickers to show. I thought I would just do a whole video and take you guys along with me. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you in the little stickering part, where I'll do a little voiceover for you guys. Okay, so now we're getting into the actual stickering. So I'm going to take you through the little daily sticker spreads, which I think are my favorite. I love that part. It's really fun and very achievable, I guess, because they're so small. But starting off on the first day, I have a little car, panda driving a car, which is from We Four Bears. And I'm just using a little confetti to fill that in. As you can see, I'm pretty behind on these spreads because we were out of town for the final track meet of the season, which is held up north, Northern California. So I thought this catch-up time was the perfect opportunity to show you guys a little behind the scenes of my stickering. The next 2 days were state prelims and state finals. So definitely very track-oriented little stickers, shoes, water bottles, etc. And the 27th is also Stephen and I's anniversary. So it falls Memorial Day weekend every year, which is the same weekend as state. And we just celebrate in Fresno at the state meet, and we make the most of it. So we ended up extending our trip to stay a little longer because Steven's family is from there. So we decided, since we're all the way up there, we might as well make a little trip out of it. And the next day, we went over to his friend's house and played some cornhole, had a little barbecue. And the day after that, we had friends over at his parents' house, and we all played card games and board games, which is a staple of what we do every time we're up there. It's a fun thing to do with all the people, and everyone really likes it. So yeah, and then also all the little writing on the top of each little frame is something I like to do to remember what the stickers were about. So a small thing like games with friends, lazy game day, 4th year anniversary, things like that, just so I remember all the little details of these cute little stickers, because I feel like it is memory keeping, and sometimes I won't remember why I put down that little car sticker or whatever. So the next little spread, I guess, it's not really a spread, it's like a little section, is about our date night. So we actually went out to dinner to celebrate our anniversary this night. We went to a really nice restaurant that I hadn't been to before. And then I stuck down the little date night sticker right in the middle, and then I found this cute Winnie the Pooh sticker I wanted to include. So I was able to carefully peel that sticker up. The BFF sticker book is very sticky, but it is a little bit forgiving if you're careful, especially with a thicker sticker that you can kind of get your nail underneath. So I was able to reposition those, which I was happy about. And then the next day we went to Yosemite. So his parents live like an hour and a half away, and I have never been, which is annoying because I've been to Fresno so many times. And I was like, this time we're going to Yosemite. So we got to go, which was super fun. We went with his parents, and they had all been before, but I had not. And I guess because of all of the snow and rain, there was an insane amount of water there. The waterfalls were pumping, the rivers were all full, the streams were streaming, and everyone was exclaiming about how it was the most beautiful they'd ever seen it. Obviously, I'd never been before, so I had nothing to compare it to, but it was really beautiful and really fun. I definitely want to go back again, but I do think that I was spoiled with my first experience being so full of water, I guess. And then the next day, we drove back home down south. So I have a little car, a little Hello Kitty, again, filling it in with some little sprinkles of tiny stars. And then the final day I do with you guys is June 2nd, which we had a Game of Thrones marathon. So we were just recovering from the trip, from the whole track season. So we were just little couch potatoes, and we watched Game of Thrones. So Steven has seen Game of Thrones before, and I started it and gave up. But we are rewatching it now, and I'm enjoying it a lot more. I think I gave up the first time because I wasn't paying enough attention. It's the kind of show where you need to pay attention. There's a lot of characters and a lot of details. So that is it for those. And now we're going to move on to the little challenge from this week, which was stickers I've been saving, which is a super fun one because it's very open-ended. So everyone's little sticker bomb is going to look different. So I'm just going through basically and picking favorite stickers, ones I think are really cute. This cute little like nostalgic crayon pencil thing. roller skates, of course, that cute frog. Of course, there's going to be a lot of pandas because those are my favorite. But yeah, I really like these challenges. It's fun. Sometimes there are challenges that I don't have stickers for, which is annoying. And I'm like, maybe I should do a different challenge those weeks when I find one where I'm like, I don't have the stickers for this and I'm not excited about the challenge because there's no rules. You don't have to do the challenges that the BFF Sticker Club puts out. And if I didn't explain that already, they post a challenge every Wednesday and you can follow along to the theme. So there's been ones, I think I flipped through the video. In the earlier part of the video, I flipped through all the challenges with you guys. But this was a challenge that was fun. However, the week before, it was fast food, and I don't have that many fast food stickers. So it depends. But every now and then I'm like, maybe I'll just come up with my own theme. Like I'll do favorite animal, which would be so easy because I have a million panda stickers. But so far I've been following along, and I'm just sticking down all kinds of stickers. It ends up being very colorful and rainbowy, and I really like the way this one comes together. But I hope you guys are enjoying this video. It's very different than what I normally post, but I thought it'd be a fun thing to try out. And also just, it's something I'm making right now, so I thought I would show you guys. That sticker I just stuck down, I really, really love. I'm pretty sure it's from Daiso, but it's a little like ramen bowl, and there's little cat heads in there, which is kind of creepy if you think about it, but it's cute. It's very kawaii and stuff. So yeah. And what are some other fun ones? I love that little video game panda I stuck down earlier. Also that hot air balloon panda. I bought that one in a random online sticker sale. And I literally bought the whole sheet just because of that. So where I live, people go on hot air balloon rides like that fly right over my house. And there's a hot air balloon panda that is like, it's a giant hot air balloon, but it's in the shape of a panda. It looks just like that. And it's so cool. And I love seeing it. It makes me very happy. I actually haven't seen it in a while though. So hopefully this summer it'll be back in action. Now I'm just filling in all the little gaps with teeny tiny stickers. So the way I kind of approach these challenges is I start in one of the corners and then kind of branch out. And I start with the bigger stickers and then I slowly whittle my way down all the way to teeny tiny like micro stickers, and that way I'm able to like fill up all the space and everything like that. So yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of Pipsticks. I have been collecting those for a while, but I would definitely be open to suggestions of other places to get stickers. I also have a bunch of Mrs. Grossman's that I really like, and then I get stickers from Daiso every now and then, but I would love to know where you guys get your stickers. If you have any favorite shops or something you've recently discovered, maybe a smaller shop. I like the kind of vinyl-y stickers. I don't really like paper stickers. So, and I also really like sparkly stickers and panda stickers, obviously. But yeah, that is pretty much all that happens here. I'm just adding in some filler and I write down the challenge name. I haven't done the date yet. I think I'll probably use my date stamp. But sometimes I sticker the title too if it's a small enough word. Like I stickered hearts, I think, with letter stickers for that challenge. But yeah, so that's pretty much all that we do here. But again, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did. If you have any fun sticker stuff to share, let me know. And what are your thoughts about the challenges lately if you do participate in the BFF Sticker Club? Do you have favorite challenges, least favorite challenges? What do you think about not following the challenge that's given each week? Maybe like freestyling. I feel like some people would think that that's like sacrilegious, but I've definitely considered it. And I know that there are always going to be challenges that don't work for everyone. And it's not anything against Laura and Annie, but everyone has different preferences. And so it's just something to think about. But yeah, I love the way this one came out. It's very fun. It's a little chaotic, but I think overall it's really fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.